I haven't even started yet, and it's blowing me backwards. Alright, oh, oh, oh! Okay, we're gonna cheat just a little bit. Since I really don't need it. Oh, no, why is it doing that? Okay. Yeah.
Going to 119 or decimal 55, 1 Golf Victor.
Here we go in the hurricane. Oh, we are flying this way. I am facing this way. Oh boy. Oh, what is my ground speed? 18 knots. Okay, we want to face directly into the wind. Yes! Is it going to blow us backwards? We're hovering! Flying in the storm! Though it's not a particularly rainy spot, although a rainy spot is about to approach me. Whoop. Hundred knot winds. Now if I do this, what happens? Oh boy. Oh, then my wings just catch the wind, and I go wherever the storm feels I need to go. Which, apparently I'm flying this way right now. Yep. Just a normal day. Oh lord. Oh, the engine does not like this. Oh, you can hear it struggling. You gotta fight harder, little engine. Oh, don't... Is that one of those cattle waste pit things? Don't drop me in there. Come on, go forward. It says 80 miles an hour, but it lies. Whoop. Well, I'm losing power. I'm getting blown off to the side. Oh boy, here comes some rain. Oh, I have so little control. I'm doing major controller deflections to keep this upright. Hey, a small dry spot. Hey, some sky. I know we are getting close to the eye of the storm. We're doing it. We're hovering. That was the goal. I'm trying to hold it very steady. Oh, now the rain's coming in and I can't see. Ugh. Oh, here comes the wind. Come on. Come on. Don't go down. This is what I'm doing with my life, I guess. Oh, good God. Now the question becomes, can we land and not on a tree. Oh my god. Ah! No, 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 no. Ooh, something just happened. No! Uh-oh. Oh, the wind's got me. Wow. And the wind saved me. The wind giveth, or the wind taketh away, and then the wind giveth. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Why does it say I'm giving it full throttle? I'm not giving it full throttle. It's at like half. Here, we're going to try an experiment. We're just going to shut the engine off. Or we're going to kill the power. Oh boy. Up, up, up. Oh, the wind's got me. Oh, here I go. Oh. Oof. Oh, this is just going to go on forever, isn't it? Because it's... Oh, hey. I got an obstruction in my way. Well, not for long. I'm stuck. Come on. Now full power. That's full power. Oh, boy. Oh, sweet Jesus. Okay. Normally you die. Oh, my God. Oh, this is going about like I thought it would. Which way's up? Oh, my... Oh, shit. 140 knots in this thing. Oh god, 150. This thing tops out at like 80 knots. So now I have a tailwind, and I can go places very quickly. So, I'm not sure how much landing is an option. Oh, now I can't see. Let's give it some flaps there. Try to stay airborne for as long as possible, and as long as the tailwind takes me. Or if it twists and does that. Oof. Where am I going? Oh. Yeah, this is going about as planned.